In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot ElevenLabs app. If you're trying to generate voice or to generate any AI content using ElevenLabs, but you are unable because the app can't open, it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to get started, we need to follow some steps. And in the first method, we need to go to the app info page to begin our troubleshooting. For that, just long press on your app and you should see app info. However, on some phones, it might be missing. If it is missing, you should see a settings gear, just like this one here, but it should be here. Or if you don't have the settings gear, you should see the name of the app, tap on it. And now we are on the app info page. Here, you need to clear the app data from down here. But if I go to storage, you can see data usage on this app, and of importance is this cache data, and these are just small files that your app normally collects each and every time you use it, and it stores this data to enhance your user experience. But when the cache data accumulates, this might cause your ElevenLabs app to malfunction. And to fix this, just tap on clear data down below and choose clear cache and final OK. As you can see, our 5 MB of cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and now your app should be up and running without any issue. So this fixes your app in most cases. However, if you still experience any glitch, then come back to app info again, and this time round go to clear data down below and choose clear all data and OK. But should this not work, then go to the third method, and that is to look for any update for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. So for my case, I'm on Android. If I open Google Play Store, you can see we have our ElevenLabs here. Check if you have an update. One of the reasons why you are unable to use your app or you are experiencing challenges is because you are using an outdated version of ElevenLabs. Update it to the latest version to fix the issues. Now, at this point, everything should be okay, but should you still experience the challenge, then it means that your app might contain bugs, and for that, you need to uninstall the app totally before you install it afresh. By doing this, you will be able to clear cache data, and sometimes you might just want to scan your phone to make sure that you don't have any residues or any unnecessary files or trash. So that's how you can troubleshoot any issues with your ElevenLabs AI voice generator app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.